Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, it's possible, and I'm going to show you 5 passive income ideas you can start today. 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks let you earn regular income just for holding shares in certain companies. Think of it as getting paid simply for being an investor. With apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, you can start with as little as $10. 2. Rental property investments. You don't need to buy a full house to earn rent. Through platforms like Fundrise or Arrived Homes, you can invest in real estate for as little as $100 and earn passive rental income every month. 3. Print-on-demand products. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases once and get paid every time someone buys them. Websites like Printful and Teespring handle printing, shipping, and payments. You just collect the profit. 4. Digital products. Write an ebook, create a course, or design templates. Once it's online, it keeps selling without any extra work. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it easy to start selling to a global audience. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. The best part? You don't deal with inventory or shipping. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Impact are great places to begin. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building income streams that work for you, even when you're not working. Which one will you start in 2025? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more money-making tips.